If animal is some kind of long distance, why you boy the motor? A blade in your tuka. Of you, tell you. I can't go to me, I go to one. I got my easy and guy. Yeah. I can't go with that. Motor, I'm going to chicken. Bra. So, this is what I do on Sundays. That's Collins. Collins, say hi. Sampo, ni sampo yokuja au sampo ya chana?
No, first Thursday.
Hi. Hendrix.
Sampo yokutwa.
Yokutwa, not yokuja. No. And I'm a workaholic. So I was working on this Hilux, say turbo Hilux automatic, and kept making noise like a knock sound, kept going. And what was funny was this started from nowhere. Like we were just driving. I drove to SOAs and then came back, and noise just got on voice. So it had some little like it had oil pressure problem. So we moved the sample, and we cleaned the strainer, the sample. We changed the oil filter, the diesel filter. We also changed the oil, and then we cleaned the sample and the strainer, and we ran the car. And for some time, like the noise was gone for like a few kilometers. So we parked, and I was preparing to return the vehicle to the owner, and then I started the car, like trying to take it to the owner. Then the sound came back again. So I moved the starter motor. I checked it. The index was there and everything was okay, and I was so shocked. And I asked the boys to push the vehicle. We pushed it inside my place. So I've like placed some sort of like a workshop. You can see down there. Yeah, so and I went to bed, but I kept thinking what could be making that noise, and I just discovered what. Let me show you. So I came under the vehicle, and I wanted, before putting the starter motor back, as you can see, this is 02. So it's an advantage of having a workshop at home. You get to do your work peacefully. So I came down here and I was trying to check. You can see that's my screwdriver there. I was trying to check if everything was okay down here, because there's an oil leakage for the gearbox, and so I said, you can see the silicone there, just from cleaning the sample. And then the first thing I noticed, there were bolts missing. I noticed this is not the engine for this gearbox. As you can see, it's a modified one. pneumatic gearbox, forward drive. So I tried to check inside thinking maybe there was a loose bolt somewhere. And this is what I discovered the moment I opened that panel. So this broken piece of metal came from in there when I opened the panel. You see that panel where my screwdriver is between. Now this
sunga kwele chimutengo kuyambira kumwamba olomikalile sala yambire pa mwamba keke anayambira munyansi ndani enzo ziba yanga fike pa jamesi motoka sima fendela nga mulipe gasi kondakta kapalala sima zura basi
Where's a gearbox? It's a flywheel. This is the boots are not loose, this is where the noise came from. This is what we're going to be working on. So on the I work beside the hustle.
Nowadays umuntu teafwafye unless pachililo umuntu ngafwafye uli once got the reason bakukwafwa ngakwafwa aswamo nishapwa nishifuti ya kushaweka pambilibili nishifuti life yakabange pilipili. That's why we chetekero umuntu ibombele fye usebenzese muntu wandishipikisha palwendolo tafishi bikwefisa mailo bonse bakakabiro kubaiwe nga bamona tiyasa nika future yobe
Let me go. I'm trying to make money here. Yeah. So that is also
naona koma jaga days nishi vitu vani vuta back in the days DJ yako bati ukaisa koko flower kuma studio bakuza tisuza blower nishi mutima wanga wakwia nishi na mukati niziuza nivisia bati futi niziuza ujana kwanisa nane nitashikikisha niza kwanisa ukukukatika na guys ni pambu za mulungu hapa stage ilionze ticho sakarukungu hapa naine manje I inspire no chita motivate before I retire.
Okay, so I have another 15 with the range that broke that side. That will work like that. So people wonder why I'm working at night. So I like working on my holiday. And apart from that, I hate starving, I hate being broke. Which is why I'm skeptical about how I spend my money. I mean, please don't do people sitting I'm under a vehicle trying to get a vehicle. It's not going to make me a billionaire, but related to that, it's going to give me, I'm supposed to say how to spend it, or where to spend it, or how to spend it. So if I decide to spend it on alcohol, don't judge me, please. You are not here when I'm suffering like this, and you are not there when I was suffering, sleeping in drainages, nightclubs, and bars. I mean, and that's literally a true story. So people can only fake to stick with you for some time, but eventually they'll get tired. But now I'm doing fine. God has been there for me. God has blessed me. I have 3 jobs right now. I'm doing fine. I'm not starving. Got a roof over my head. I even have a workshop. What more can I ask for? So, please. So you broke that part. My God, this dog. This dog is like one of the most disturbing kind of dog. And it keeps biting my ear, so I don't know what we're going to do with it. But anyway, so let me just untie that. I'll get back to you after it's done.
Thinks your cigarette will make it better, but she's just lying to herself about getting him back.
This is why
She's still trying.
flavor was broken.
Nothing's ever gonna change but the time, and man, it's flying.
So there's another one here. Okay. Yeah, that one is there. Just touch it. But this one is not even tight. So there are a lot of loose things on this vehicle. Look, this is a boat that's supposed to have the gearbox to the engine, and I'm tying it with my hand. Like seriously. Man. Serious. Let me just get that out all the way so that I can show you. It's not even supposed to be that loose, it's supposed to be tight. This is where the power is transferred to the engine and to the body. I mean the gearbox and the body. I wonder why some mechanics leave things like this. You know, people are different. Had some sort of a supervisor in the copper belt. You would get the punch and then you would go get the finished tire and come and put it on a truck and say the finished tire is better than not having a tire. Forgetting is risking your life. So that's the pot there. It was back there and it was not tied. So literally that's why the firewall broke. This gearbox was loose, so it was wobbling, and as it kept moving, it kept wobbling. No wonder the car couldn't pull. Oh man, some people. But apart from that, there's supposed to be another boat. Okay, let me see if it's there. Man, nothing there. Yeah. So
downloaded from ilovezmusic.com.
This is
cheka cheka kuti amvetsetse usachite kumumiriza kuti mukondane kodi udzimupembedza kuti akukonde usachite kuyaluka nazo chikondisa kakamizana chikondisetika kakamira chikondisa kakamizana chikondisetika kakamira kati watopa mulekere
doing mechanics
mulekere
Monday to Saturday.
ngati walema muchokere
Won't make me
muchokere muchokere.
so when you see me going and done that for the weekend, no, this is how I spend my money. That's where I got the money from, because I couldn't sleep working. So okay, that boat is there. So these are the
mind, the body, the soul.
that is the main
uzichita kumva kuti wina pali penso zijazo malotana mukateka mess she be the queen na iwe king in the castle noti vichavo vesana kuwawa so chikondisa koko kakamizana chikondisa koko kakamizana
because all that wobbling can make things trying to find out if the boat is there it is down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Let me zoom in. Where's that? Yeah, right there. Yeah, there. But anyway, at least the too many boats were there. All the boats there. I mean, for the manufacturing, 6 boats there. That's what they were doing. So it's alright for you to go put 3. Just put 2 main boats and 1 supporting boat. This is what happens if you do things a short way or shortcut. Yep. So, remain by those that should be on the other side. Mounted on their gearbox. So this is
downloaded from ilovezmusic.com.
Seto of getting to any commitment. I didn't follow that advice and backfired on me. But I mean, now I'm doing fine. Yeah. And I can work anytime because there's no one asking me. Making money. That's a code mercy. I'm fine. So I've removed all the boats except one to hold the engine and gearbox in place, and the ones for the gearbox mountain behind there. I don't have a jack. It's embarrassing for a workshop not to have a jack. But I had one, lended someone and they disappeared with it. And then so tomorrow morning around 6 I'll go in the cavalry. They come, remove the mountains, the gearbox mountains, remove the last boat, and to push the gearbox down, we drop it. Hope to catch you later. Not tomorrow morning, it's actually this morning. See, getting drunk.